this is Miraj and you're watching MJ's Innovation. Right now the time is 10:45 a.m. and I am heading towards SP Road. Why? Because I got a lot of comments on the video which I uploaded about best place to buy used laptops. So I was getting questions like the shop address, location and whether to buy or not. So in this video I'll try to give the proper shop address which has genuine products, and also this time I'm looking for phone and gaming accessories. So if you're planning to buy used laptops or PC, this video will be helpful for you, and if not also you can watch this video. So without doing any further delay, let's start. So first thing first, do visit that shop for laptops, and also I was searching for MacBook, but unfortunately I didn't got both the old one and also the new one. What I like about SP Road is you will get the accessories of phone and also the computer at a very low cost, and also you can replace your broken phone screen at a very low cost, like minimum of 2k, and that will not be the original one, but it will worth for you and your work will be done. Yeah, you can say that SP Road is a complete package of electrical and electronic devices. So one thing I suggest you, if you're buying something from SP Road, do compare the product which you are buying with 2-3 shops, and then which one is offering you at a lower price, just grab it from there. This video is insane. It's about the shoes market, and the camera was not allowed, but fortunately I got all the footages for you guys. So thanks for watching this video. This is Mera signing off. See you in the next video.